Hi guys, my name is Carson. I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane called the swash. Let's see how to do it.
First, you get the top right corner and you fold it down. So the top, the left corner is pointy. You make that crease and you open it up and do it to the other side. Then you make that crease. Then you flip it over and pull that down so like it's a rectangle. So to about there. Then you flip it over, push that down, you pinch the sides, and just push them together, then push the paper down. It'll look like a triangle. Then you take one of the corners and you fold it up to the top of the triangle. Make that crease, and then you do it to the other side. So it looks like this. And then you fold it over and you fold it in half. So it looks like that. And then you unfold it and you fold that top part down. So it's like this. Then you flip it over, fold it, so it looks like that, and fold it like that, so it looks like this. Then you turn it around and you fold that way. And then you unfold it so it looks like this. And you fold the corners that way. You fold the other corner that way. So this is how you make it. See how it flies. Yep, that's how it flies. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And thanks for watching.